Hello and welcome into this easy training for creating a paint by numbers book that are very good for children but also for adults, obviously, with more serious images. And the first thing you can do is going on pixabay.com, and here, for example, I searched for an owl inside the vectorials only images. And there are a few that I can use. The important thing is they have a black border on the outside and even internally, like this. It's perfect, like all those, for example. Even this could work, okay. And I don't know this if it has a border right here. This one can work. This one especially is very good. Even this one is very good. This one, and probably there are more like this one, but not this one, because as you can see, there are parts on the side of the image that are not with border, they are without borders, so it's not a good image. This one is already in black and white. This is a change from the first we see, but there are enough. Even this one, for example, is very beautiful, and for sure there will be more. No, this is a cupcake, holy cupcake. Okay, I think there's only first page, unless you want this. This is pretty good. You have also to check for the quality of the image, obviously. You can even use paid images by Shutterstock, for example. If it is for private users, you can do so. And you can even use vectors if you're good using them with Adobe Illustrator or with Gravit Designer. Vectors gives you the chance to be great. You can find them on Vect Easy, written this way, Vect Easy. And if you search for owls, just for an example, I don't know what comes out. Okay, those are so awesome and brilliant. Look at those little owls, they are fabulous. The problem is on Vecteezy there's attribution required unless you buy the membership for $9 per month yearly, so $100 and date, or I don't know if you can join monthly. I don't see that. Oh yeah, here, 14 per month. So at the end you will save with this option. But the problem, as I told you, is that you have to give attribution, while on Pixabay that doesn't happen. Attribution required. So when you click free download, you have to take this link and put it on the last page of your book for all the image you use from this website. And opening those on Gravit Designer, learning how to work, there are a lot of videos on YouTube. You can decolor those in one click, increase their dimension to fit one page each. So with those 8 you can create 8 pages of color by numbers, paint by numbers book. Let's say the other is here. Gravit Designer, I think is designer.io, but for security, okay, yes, it's designer.io. Is this one. Very good software for working with vectorials. Okay, now there's the owl. The job to do is pretty easy. You take the magic wand, it's here, you see this selection. You click with the right mouse button and you select the magic wand. You start here on the brown, you hit backspace also here as well, You have to clean up the image from colors. Perfect. Wrong selection. Okay, you can leave the eyes this way, the book here, here, and right here. Probably I have a low tolerance, you can increase that. Yeah, it's too low. Let's double to 32 and try. Almost the same. Yeah, probably something less. You have to take a bit of time and everything will be done the right way. I forgot the white, but it will be reverted to white later without problems. Remember Ctrl Z or Command Z if you do something wrong. I did. I don't see very well. Okay, now these pages I would leave them this way. So at the end you go to File, Export as a JPEG. Otherwise, if you want to export as a PNG, you have to fill of white every corner of the image. So you select white here. You have to find the bucket tool. Don't remember where it is. Here, yeah, paint bucket tool. And you have to bring back to white every part of this hole. It's pretty easy if it's not a very difficult image. So in this case you require just a couple of minutes or even less. And when you have your image ready this way, you can save it even as PNG if you want to preserve the transparent background. It's just your decision. You can export as a JPEG or as a PNG. Here is our PNG. Obviously it's just one step. We need to add numbers to that, but I suggest you to do that inside Canva, not inside Photopea. So you can close Photopea and go straight to Canva, where we are going to create a design. And custom size, sorry, they added a new button here. 8.5 on top and 11.5 in the second field. Oh, remember the inch. Now I have to enter the values again. 8.5, 11.5. Create a new design. And here we are to import our little hole. This way. We can make it a little bigger. Not so much or it won't fit. Let's put it this way. And now we have to enter numbers, so we go under text, add the heading. We need to select a font that is not much visible. It's not a punch in the eye, but something easier, like Bellezza, like Articulate, like Arimo, like Anonymous Pro, Alice, for example. You put a 1 for the first color. Keep always the image of the hole. I lost it. At your disposal, so you can compare the colors. Okay, this way. And here you put this one. But I would like to convert it in gray so it doesn't disturb the coloring. Okay, this way. I don't know if they will see that or not. Let's try with this. Better. So one essentially here is white. We will do I don't know how to call that. Give me 1 second. Ocre. Ocre. Okay, I will call that ochre, this way. I can call that light brown for making things easier. Now you can choose a good font for here. I think we can use the same Alice, and you write 1 light brown, light brown. Okay, so there's the one here. You can make it bigger. The color will probably go over this gray, hopefully. And the same color of this is now here. Okay, we can do a dark brown, copying this number and putting that here, 2, and make a copy and align that by the other side, 2. And 2 obviously is the classic brown, so brown or dark brown. Remember to align your text this way, better. Use only one font and align that to the left. Perfect. So the brown is there. There's the orange of this 3. Orange. I think this white is not to number, so it will stay clean. Even those are better to be left white. So we put another 2 here. Oops. Here for the brown. And here I would like to make a dark brown if available, otherwise let's do 3 this. And for the orange, 4. Okay, if it's too big you can make it little. 4 and 3, obviously the 2 wings. 3. And make a copy and bring by the other side, this way. 3 and 3, 2 and 2, 1. Okay, it was in the middle, now no more. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's enough. The same 4 could be put right down here. I think it's comprehensible that it means the 3 part of this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And finally the red would be the number 5 here. And here. And here, the problem is to let the number fit. Make a copy of this. You align that by the other side. And you continue with number. If a character is too big, you can reduce that to make more numbers fit. Now, I forgot to align this to the left. So 5 is the red. Okay. 6 is this one. I will put a little 6 in there, 6, and we'll make it little because otherwise it won't fit. 6. Pages are this way. There's just one more 5 that goes down here. If you can't move, press the command and obviously select the number. Okay, and I need one more, too little, by this side. In this way, 5, 5, everything is visible. They can color this and complete the job. So the orange can be moved by the other column, this way. Okay, and if you want, you can move this to the border, and now you can center the design and the numbers, selecting them all in this way. And that's your first paint by numbers or color by numbers page. Easy. Probably the light gray would be covered by colors, hopefully. And this is the design, the final design to color. You can do more about the same niche. You can change niche. You can find different websites where you can find vectorial content, or vectorial on pixabay.com. That is very good for finding this image. So that's the way to follow. Remember to leave the next page blank, so color won't pass, especially if they use markers. Then you add a new one and you design that. You can make a copy of this if you want, to keep the same font for numbers and everything else. Obviously you just remove this and keep only the part below, but you can proceed this way, creating your own book. Now for the keywords, let's move on Amazon.com. Now see there's a change in the software, so I have to make the search here. Here you can see how many keywords there are to search with the secret plugin I use, the secret app I use, that is Huge Amazon Search Suggestion Expander. Huge Amazon Search Suggestion Expander, this you see. And then KDE Spy for analyzing everything inside. For example, paint by numbers, just a common niche. Okay, I have to go under books, obviously, because these are diamond paintings and they are not good. I apologize. Okay, there's different stuff. This is one. As you can see, all the numbers here, the ABSR, are very low for this type of book, because you see, paint by sticker, it's not the case. I searched paint by numbers or by stickers, I don't know. Anyway, I apologize. Yes, the paint by numbers there are, and are all in a good way, but it's better to do color by numbers. Color by numbers gives you more results. You see 13, 10,000, 1,000, fabulous. Those are mandalas with color by number. Sea Life 6,000. So those are making very good earnings. Let's see if Kitty Spy wakes up, or if today update broke it. I think it's crazy. I'm logged out from Amazon. Let's try again. It will say to log out. Continue anyway. Because if you're logged in, probably you see different books, but I don't know. No, it doesn't work today. Anyway, let's open this one. That's one of the best. Okay. Okay, estimated monthly revenue is $4,000. Not bad. 48,000 per year. It's a 62 pages book. This is done in a different way with tiles. Anyway, the cover is pretty old style, but it's not bad. And you see, they are doing great. They're getting great results. And this one, there was one doing better. These brain games, probably. Okay, continue anyway. It's doing much better. Oh, come on. Why this happened? There are a few troubles today with Kitty Spy. Don't know why. I'm sorry. Let's try to search here. Color by numbers. Okay, color by numbers. Color by numbers for kids ages 8 to 12. Sorry, 12. And color by numbers for adults. These are 3 keywords suggested by Kitty Spy. Otherwise, you can, I don't know if this works here. Yes, keywords everywhere is a great add-on you can install from Google Apps. You have to pay for each credit you use, but they cost only a few dollars. And you can see the keywords they focused on. And you can see the occurrences, the monthly volume especially. You can order them from monthly volume. I would like to do deposit. Okay. Amazon Translate, Amazon Prime Video videos, no. Okay. No troubles. I wanted to see the best keywords. They are all by Amazon. They use the brain, flowers, drawing. Anyway, I will focus especially on color by numbers and paint by numbers. And I will use the tool I suggested for keyword search on Amazon, that is this one. Amazon Suggestion Expander, or it's here, Huge Amazon Search Suggestion Expander. This is for me the best one to use. And here you can see you have color by numbers for kids. This is another good keyword, or for kids ages, and you put the age in. If you work for adults, you can at the opposite go for color by numbers for adults, color by numbers for adults book, color by number for adults with markers. No, not the case. Anyway, the main keywords are always the best, the one on top. And this is a very good niche. Start using that. Thanks so much and see you soon. Bye bye.